Scorpio, June 2025 predictions. General. Scorpio natives may achieve career success in June 2025 after initial setbacks. Management may realize your value and creativity and support your professional growth. However, interact cautiously with higher authorities. Business persons may require patience for return on investment. However, this period looks favorable for new ventures, which can begin with small investments. Finances may remain stable. Romantic life could face challenges, couples can still share meaningful moments. Beware of external influences that could impact relationships. Minor health issues may disrupt your daily routine. Students will likely perform well, earning excellent grades. Love and relationships. The married may build sweet memories with their partners. Be cautious of external influences affecting relationship decisions. Interactions with elders and seniors can be rewarding. Bond with children may be strong and dependable. Deep love might enhance grace in relationships. Finances. Financial prospects are likely to improve, reducing the risk of impoverishment. Profitable opportunities may arise if you act with sound judgment and caution. Investing in the stock market appears promising and worth exploring. Support from close relatives can significantly enhance your financial position. Family and friends may offer valuable investment advice or wealth-building ideas. Collaborating with trusted people can lead to substantial monetary benefits. Career. Scorpio natives may witness professional success after challenging times. IT and BPO workers might overcome setbacks and progress. Educators could gain a better reputation. Production staff may earn recognition for their dedication. Healthcare workers may work hard to gain approval. R&D professionals may have to wait for official clearance. Business. Business persons should be patient for better investment returns. Current investments may need careful management or thoughtful expansion. Allow time for them to grow and develop. Assess current market conditions before launching new businesses. The time looks favorable for starting new enterprises. Entrepreneurs can begin with minimal investment and increase gradually. That may lower financial risks and provide strategic flexibility. This approach can also allow time to study the market and business model. Laying a strong foundation now can ensure future success. Health. Minor health issues may arise, which may not be serious. There could be common ailments like cold, cough, flu, nasal discharge, etc. Mild headaches and tiresomeness are also possible for a couple of days. These symptoms could slow you down slightly. Prioritize self-care and adequate rest. Stay hydrated to aid recovery. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist or worsen. Education. Scorpio sign students may perform well in academics. Students desirous of pursuing graduate studies abroad may succeed in their efforts and do well in their studies. Research students should be patient, as approval of their thesis can take time. However, success looks assured, though delayed slightly. Auspicious dates. Inauspicious dates.